Hey, Queen of Hearts, how are you, dear? Candyland! Look at this not 30-minute looking line. So it said it's a 30-minute wait, but then the sign outside said it's closing at 7 and it's 6:58. So this is like the last chance to ride for the night.
I wonder why it closes at 7.
I don't know. Maybe because I don't know. Maybe. Oh, they did. Yeah, Mr. Potato Head's not there anymore. Wowzers.
That was really worth it.
Maybe that has something to do with the expansion. I am excited about the expansion of Toy Story Land.
That is the thing that I'm the most excited about. As far as
especially if there's a, like we've heard, like of a Slinky Dog roller coaster ride. Who are we gonna get, Britt?
Wheezy.
Wheezy. Bullseye.
Hey, Midway Maniacs, Mr. Potato Head here. For your safety, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your
Was it Bullseye?
at all times. If you ain't seen it, then be sure to watch this small
I
ride.
don't remember now.
I'm gonna go Wheezy.
All right. Maybe it was it Wheezy? All right.
You guess it's probably gonna be Jesse. I hope Jesse Rex. Toy Story character.
Britt does love her some Rex.
I think we're gonna get Wheezy.
So Britt and I were trying to think of what all you could get as a cart, and I think maybe they're listed right here. Because it says collect them all. I don't know. Seems logical though.
Right here.
You ready to lose?
I'm the galactic hero, so I mean,
What?
I've got pretty much skills when it comes to anything Toy Story.
Yeah.
I've already defeated Zurg, so I can definitely defeat you.
He can handle the Midway, huh?
I can handle Jared. I can handle Zurg.
There goes the Wheezy. I don't think you're going to be right, Britt. So you say red and blue, and you think it's going to be Wheezy,
Yep.
which is actually right there.
You guess green and
I
yellow.
say green and yellow, and I guess Bullseye. Oh, there's the alien. Let's see, who'd we get?
But I said I hope we get
Oh,
Rex, and I guess Rex is not at least closer than you.
We got Rex.
This is exactly what I wanted. Woo! Middle of the game, but I'm beating you. He's such a sore loser. How do you? You're such a sore loser.
Mission complete.
See you, bud. How you feel, cowboy?
Pretty good.
Well, how you feel?
Victorious.
Good for you. See, you know, I'm not a sore loser like someone. I'm happy for you.
Thanks, dear.
Even though I'm sad I lost. That's okay.
We can't all be the galactic hero, but we can be the Midway champion every now and then.
Good job.
I'd like to say I learned my skills from you,
Oh yeah.
but that was a mad
Taught him
comeback.
everything he knows.
That was a mad comeback, if I do say so myself.
I know, I had it halfway and I was winning. You beat me.
So we're waiting at Hollywood Studios for the new fireworks. Star.
We've never seen them before. We're pretty excited. My contact is like blurry. Sorry.
It's something like, I have the name here.
It's a galactic spectacular something. Something like that. But look what we're doing. We're sitting on the ground, which is
Symphony in the Stars. A galactic spectacular.
There it is. But anyways, we're sitting on the ground and look. I mean, like, it's blurry, but
I got a pretty good view, huh?
super. Like, that's as far, like I said, that's as far up as you can get.
The only thing I'm not looking forward to is traffic to get out of here.
That's one thing we did not think about driving, is all the people that are driving too, and all the people that are going to leave after
It's okay,
the
I'll just let
fireworks.
Brittany drive and get us out of here.
We wouldn't. I'd stop and be like, there's so much traffic. So, but we're gonna watch this, vlog some of that for you, and we're gonna go to Epcot because I have extra magic hours until 11. I'm gonna go meet up with our friends Lindsay and Tony again and hang out with them because actually their last day was supposed to be today, and they were supposed to pack, go home, and actually fly back to Italy, which is insane. And he surprised her for their anniversary with an extra day, moved them from Riverside to the Contemporary, booked them a dining reservation at BR Guest for their anniversary, and so they spent the whole day in Magic Kingdom, and they both close at 8, so we're gonna go hang out with them at Epcot until 11, and we'll see ya after the fireworks, I guess. The music just cut off. I think it's about to start.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Symphony in the Stars, a galactic spectacular. Our celebration of the entire Star Wars saga. We now invite you to look up to the stars and recite with us.
Got it. Oh, buddy! That was fast! This is incredible. Look at Jared. Just hanging out.
Who are you?
I don't know.
Or do not. There is no try. At last we will have revenge.
for joining us for the Stars, a galactic spectacular.
No pun intended.
Enjoy the rest of your time here at the Walt Disney World Resort.
Outstanding.
Is that even real life?
The best fireworks I have ever seen in my life.
It doesn't play with your emotions.
Moly.
Like, it's just,
No, it's just like
It's just like a
jaw dropping.
astonishment. Like, oh my gosh.
We just periscoped it, and like our periscope is like blowing up now. People are like, oh my gosh.
Those were so intense.
I cannot believe that was, oh my gosh, I had no like expectation of it to be that way. That was
You could like, it was so strong.
outstanding.
Like, you could feel when they would like explode.
Yeah, I know that one kid was like, that was so awesome, and now we have to fight this.
Bravo, Disney, bravo.
To get to our Jeep. We just got off the tram, and that was super, super fast. We definitely recommend if you have a car or
First
you're thinking
stop,
about
too,
renting a car, definitely drive, because that was awesome. We would still be waiting for a bus.
Yup.
And that's what they
We were
did.
the-
They set off their alarm to find it. I was like,
We're the very first stop. The only thing is we'll see how long it takes us to get out of here now.
Yeah, it doesn't look terrible down there. But here we go. Here's our little Jeep.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Mario would say.
It's the Mario. I don't have to stand up on a bus. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love Disney buses. They're part of the magic for me. But I don't like to stand up after I've been walking in a park all day long. I like to sit. And now I get to sit in my super comfy Jeep seats.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Bing. That was me jumping to get
I need a mushroom.
I need a star.
Now you can be heard again.
Now we're full again.
Exit left. I think we should go right.
I was just thinking, what would we do if we turn right? Whoa, Jared.
I got it. I'm good.
They'll stop. They're only going 15 miles an hour. It should be, so it's the speed limit. Okay, which way to Epcot?
Whoa.
No worries, Disney will tell us. Oh, look at all these people going. Oh, good job, you're going 14. Oh, nope, you're going 28.
You need to slow it down, partner.